All right, guys. So I am checking back on the LS Turbo Cappy, and you have a tight squeeze now. So what do you got? Like 2 days?
Well, I'm gonna be done with it Friday,
You're gonna be done Friday?
but they're gonna be leaving for drag week Saturday morning, I believe.
All right, so no problem.
I hope they have it like completely fabbed up and running, and hopefully driving before I leave for Empire.
Oh, you're going to Empire?
Yeah.
Everyone's going to Empire. I feel like I should go.
It's lit. Yeah.
I might have to do it.
Yeah, Ben's out there.
Yeah, Ben's been telling me to go.
Yeah,
Oh, well, that's it.
It's lit.
So we got the drive shaft in now. Jeremy's just been killing it. You have a, what is that thing called? A Shorty's drag power glide.
Junior Dragster Power Glide, I believe.
Junior dragster power glide, which makes sense for this car. And you've been just working on this
Day and night.
non-stop. Two frame. It looks good. It looks really good. I mean, it's amazing how much process that you just got in here.
We had the cage guy here like at 6, and he told us what we needed, and he's gonna come back tomorrow.
So he's like coming in here daily. All right, guys. Yeah.
Just drop drag week when you get it done.
Dope. Awesome, man. Everything's looking good. I can't film this man, so I'm gonna put a hand right here. He doesn't like being on film, so he's working on this and tighten up the turbo manifolds right now. He's doing a great job. Very hard on himself, but he's a very talented man. So it's loud over here. I'm gonna move over here too. Say hi to oh my gosh, the kittens. We're on wiring, wrapping the doors. They found Tall Jesus, and he's finishing up the wiring. Hey, and then these guys are helping out too. Hey, what's up, little guy? Little shop kitten I've been taking care of. We're gonna find these guys home. So if you see this video, we're looking for adopt. I mean, you can't look at this guy. How can you say no to him? We need to adopt a home for this beautiful little baby. Look how nice he is. He just gave me a low 5. So if you guys would like to adopt a kitten, there you go. Look at him. Oh, look at you. You gonna help build a drag car? So there's a lot of stuff that's in pieces and out because of the wrap. And then it's getting there. Some tires down there, some slicks out there in the... That's how he gets his workout on. So you guys went for a color change right off the bat, or did you already plan on doing this?
Mason's had this wrap for like 2 years probably.
Oh, okay. Cool. That's what's up. This is exciting. So, all right, that's the update for today. And we will see major changes tomorrow. So we're going to check back, and then we'll see the rest of everything's going on, because they are working super hard right now.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just look up, don't be scared.
Look at that, guys. Oh, it's Cappy time. All right, so we got Cappy updates. Cappy is almost done. Unfortunately, Cappy did not make it for Drift Week this year, but for sure we'll be at a lot of events next year. And I'm sure I won't be the only one covering this car, but I hope to give you guys at least a before and after of like this project and some first time coverage which we got here. So I'll be the first person covering this car and hopefully getting some action video. But a lot has been taken care of. It's almost back together. Just need the cooling system completed, the wiring harness, the seating, and then a bunch of the welds tidied up for the body or for the steel panels inside. But this thing is wild, dude. This thing is crazy. It's got all of the notes that they've been working on the windshield. Listen, this is a total 10-footer on the wrap. Everyone decided to wrap the car. It was a group effort. Everyone was trying to get this car done just in time to get out there, but it still looks great. It's got a good shine to it. Motor's in. Inlets are all done. Turbos are all lined up. Exhaust manifold wrap. Looks pretty good. I want to give you guys an update. As you can see, there's still a little bit tidying up to do on the inside here. Still got the removable roof, so this will be functional. Man, I'll come back, it'll pop up. Oh, maybe it's the cage. Yeah, cage was removed. So, next video, I'm gonna put this video up now. And the next video, we should have this running. The wiring harness should be in, and then all the little stuff tidied up, and it should be running. So hopefully get some burnout footage and some driving footage of how crazy that is. It actually fits in there. Clearance is crazy. There you go, guys. LS Twin Turbo Cappuccino. We'll have more next week. But thanks for watching. This guy's put a lot of valiant effort into finishing this car up, and should be done. Hopefully, maybe we can get some track footage. All right, see you guys next week.